Warning, this is how I personally complete each project. I do have some mechanical and electrical knowledge. Use this video at your own risk. I am not and will not be responsible for any damage that may occur while you attempt to repeat as I do. Always follow all manufacturer warnings and instructions. Consult a professional if you are unsure.
DADDYGVILLE'S World.
What's up, everyone? Today, this video is for the 96 to 2000 Chevy and GMC trucks and SUVs. You will see how to remove and replace the alternator. Now, this here is the 350 5.7 vortec V8. Your alternator is located here. Let's get started. First, remove the negative off your battery and set it aside. Next, you will have to remove the serpentine belt off the alternator pulley. Here's how. Just below the alternator, you have the tensioner pulley. Built into this pulley is this square. Here's a better view of what it actually looks like. Now, you can use a 3/8 ratchet, place it in the hole, then push down towards the passenger side fender, which then pushes the pulley down to where you can release the belt. Now, to remove the alternator, there's 3 bolts. Here, here, and here. Now, using a short 13mm socket, remove both bottom bolts. At the time of filming, I could only find my deep well socket, which is why I'm also using a wrench. Let's skip ahead. Now that the 2 bottom bolts are removed, the top back bolt is a 10mm. Now, with a large pry bar or screwdriver, pop it out of place. Now, on the back of the alternator, remove this plug. Slide back the rubber boot. Then remove the nut with a 12mm. Then pull the wire off. Now, placing the new one in, tap these 2 clips back. It will be easier in the long run. Before hooking the wire on the back of the alternator, clean it with sandpaper or a wire brush to remove any corrosion that's on there. I'm using a rotary tool. Now, remove the nut. Place the wire on, then snug it down. Do not over-tighten it. Plug it back in, and slide the boot back over the nut. Now, lay the alternator in place. Now, line it up and place the bottom bolts in. Then the rear bolt, and tighten all 3 down. Then repeat what you did earlier with the tensioner pulley and the ratchet. Place the belt back on, making sure it's on all pulleys properly. Reconnect the negative to your battery, and you're done. Thanks for watching. Check out some of our other videos.
DADDYGVILLE'S World.